Today we're putting on one of our carousel events and in one of our workshops we're demonstrating our 3D printing centre of excellence. We're doing a workshop on 3D scanning, additive manufacture and robotics. We're showing the students sort of the types of things that they would do in industry related to computer-aided design, 3D scanning. We're introducing them to some of the basic concepts of how these work, how we generate a point cloud, how we can generate 3D models of complex parts, and how this might be used in practice in industry when they go into work.
Today there's a mixture of the T-level students and the A-level students, and they're coming here to get some experience of what university would be like for them after they finish their studies, so they know where they can go after they've left us, successfully completing their course, and what their next step is basically. I think this will benefit them enormously because they'll be able to see what's real, what it's like. And I've done a previous trip here before, and you can see the change in the students from before they come here to the end of the day when they're finished, and that excitement in them.
Yeah, the day's gone great. We had a look at some really good pieces of kit that even we don't have at UTC. Some really good scanners and huge 3D printers, printing some materials that I didn't even know you could 3D print. So yeah, it's going great so far.
I think this should really benefit the students by giving them sort of a hands-on insight into what it would be like to be an engineering student when they leave college and go into university. It should give them a good idea of what they'll be doing when they come here to study engineering at Sunderland. We're a very hands-on university. We have a lot of technology that we've invested in, and we really think it's important for our students to get involved with that technology, and that's what we want to do today.
Yeah, so even looking at new pieces of kit like that is going to be really beneficial for me. We obviously had a look at robots as well and such, a lot of my friends and myself are interested in robots of the future, for getting a jump start on that and just seeing even the small fundamentals of how it works. It's a great way to start for your career, it'll be beneficial hugely.
It's brilliant for the students to get an actual impression of what university life, education and the facilities are. We can teach them and tell them what it's like, and they can get that impression, but to actually be here, to see it, to touch it, to get an experience of working with equipment, it's entirely different, and it's priceless for them, I think.